This video describes the working principles of a traversing head shaper. Shapers are usually used during machine production to obtain flat, large surfaces. The traversing head shaper uses the Whitworth quick return mechanism to drive the ram of the shaper. Since we have described the working principles of a Whitworth quick return mechanism in a previous video, we will not go into the details here. However, as a short reminder, the Whitworth quick return mechanism converts rotation motion to reciprocation motion, in which the forward stroke is slower than the backward stroke. Now let's discuss the traversing head shaper in detail. A shaper operates by moving a hardened cutting tool backwards and forwards across a workpiece. On the return stroke of the ram, the tool is lifted clear of the workpiece, reducing the cutting action to one direction only. The slow forward motion of the ram is the cutting stroke, whereas the fast backward motion of the ram is the non-cutting stroke. Since cutting requires much more force, it is done during the slow forward motion of the ram. To increase efficiency, the return stroke is performed at a much faster rate. In this video, the workpiece is shown as a black rectangle that is mounted on a bed that has the ability to move vertically to the ram motion. During the cutting motion, the tool is forced forward by the ram and cuts straight lines on the workpiece. The material being cut is thrown off from the machine as chips. These can be seen by the red chips in the video. During the cutting process, the tool is pushed toward the ram head, which engages with the workpiece. However, during the return process, the tool is pushed away from the ram head and disengages from the workpiece. This allows the cutting tool to slide on the workpiece during the return stroke without cutting it. At the same time, another mechanism, not shown in this animation, slightly moves the tool bed perpendicularly to the ram direction. This movement allows the workpiece to be fed for the next cutting stroke. The white offset pin can be adjusted to vary the radius of the throw and therefore alter the stroke. This allows the machine to be used for different size of workpieces. In most shapers, the ram is slotted to receive a fastening stud to secure the link connected to the lever. The slot enables the ram to be positioned by adjusting to the workpiece. This concludes our presentation of the traversing head shaper. Please visit our channel on YouTube for more videos.